Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about limiting results. Let's enjoy. Limiting the number of results returned by a SQL query is achieved using the limit clause. The limit clause allows you to specify the maximum number of rows to return in the result set. Here's how you can use the limit clause in SQL. Select column 1, column 2, exclamation mark. From table name, limit number of rows. Column 1, column 2, exclamation mark. You want to retrieve data from. You can specify one or more columns separated by commas. If you want to retrieve all columns, you can use star, table name, the name of the table from which you want to retrieve data. Number of rows, the maximum number of rows to return in the result set. Here are some examples of using the limit clause to limit the number of results in SQL. Retrieve the first 10 rows from a table. Select star, from students, limit 10. Retrieve the first 5 rows from a table sorted by age in descending order. Select star, from students, order by age DESC, limit 5. Retrieve the top 3 highest paid employees. Select star from employees, order by salary DES, limit 3. Retrieve the first 20 orders placed in the year 2022. Select star from orders where year order date equals 2022, limit 20. The limit clause is particularly useful when dealing with large data sets or when you only need to retrieve a subset of rows from a table. It allows you to control the size of the result set and improve query performance by reducing the amount of data processed by the database engine. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.